Så sætter jeg mig hen. Survey Association is a century-old maritime consultancy that serves insurance companies and ship owners globally. Across the maritime industry, we've seen significant technological progress over the past decades. Operations have been more connected, navigation systems are smarter, and fleet management has moved forward. But one important area has largely stayed the same: cargo surveying. And that's a challenge, because cargo surveys sit right at the center of risk management, claims handling, and operational decisions. Our core values have always been around people and integrity. That hasn't changed over the last 111 years, and it never will. But how we deliver those values must evolve. That thinking is what stands behind SA Cargo.
SA Cargo is our end-to-end platform designed specifically for cargo surveys. For far too long, the cargo surveying space has been lagging behind when it comes to digital innovation. Processes are still manual, reporting is inconsistent, and a lot of valuable data is simply not used. SA Cargo brings structure, standardization, and visibility to the entire survey process, while connecting companies with the right surveyor expertise anywhere in the world. More importantly, the platform makes it possible to work with survey data in a completely different way. Using machine learning and data analytics, we can identify recurring patterns, highlight risk areas, and support preventive actions. And because SA Cargo is designed to integrate with our clients' existing systems, it fits naturally into how they already work.
SA Cargo is a natural extension of Survey Association's role in the industry. It reflects how we believe surveying must evolve, responsibly, credibly, and with purpose. By combining human expertise with the right technology, we're setting a new standard for how cargo surveys support better decision-making for shipping and logistics companies, P&I clubs, and terminals. Today, our platform has around 400 users in over 60 countries. We have a clear plan, and this journey is just the beginning.